toy to play con el time.
If you have seen my Twitter, you'll probably know that I bought the iPhone SE 2020 to use it as my daily driver. It was an impulsive purchase. I was looking for an iPhone to switch and Apple came out with the iPhone SE, so I had to buy it. So if you're wondering what phone I was previously using, it was the Poco F1. The sole reason I upgraded to the iPhone is that because I couldn't stand the MIUI on the Poco F1 and also the battery kind of started to bulge. That's why I switched. So I'll be documenting my experience of using this phone for the past 2 days. So let's get started. First thing I noticed after I picked up the phone for the first time is how compact it is. The screen size is not as bad as I thought it would be. I adapted very quickly. There's no problem reading text or typing for that matter. To keep it short, I really like the small display. It fits in my hand comfortably and also it's easily pocketable. Taking a turn from the display, I want to talk about the Touch ID. Touch ID has finally made a comeback. It's fast and accurate as always, and the haptic feedback is top notch. Watching any sorts of video on this phone or using this phone for multimedia purposes just doesn't feel right. It's too small with huge bezels on top and bottom. I don't have a problem with the display quality itself. Even though it's a 720p display, it's still vibrant and sharp enough. It's the best 720p display I've ever seen on a phone. But Apple could have easily swapped in a bigger display. But in my case, I don't really watch movies on my phone. I prefer a larger screen like TV to watch movies, so it's not a deal breaker for me. Coming to the battery life, it's average at best. It can get you through a day, only if you're a casual user and don't play any games. If you're a hardcore gamer, I don't think you should be buying this phone. It took a little more than 1.5 hours to charge the phone from 30 to 100%, which is pretty slow for today's standards. I wish Apple has provided us with a fast charger in the box, but hey, it's Apple, they can get away with this shit. The main reason I bought this phone is because of the cameras. From what I've seen on the internet, this camera takes some really good pictures, pretty close to the iPhone 11 itself. So the Poco F1 that I previously used didn't have a great camera to write home about, so I went out and bought this phone hoping to be good. Spoiler alert, it's great. Coming to the performance, the iPhone SE has A13 Bionic chip inside, the same chip used in Apple's higher-end models like iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max. With A13 Bionic inside, the performance is just incredible. No frame drops, no stutters whatsoever. The phone comes with 1 year of free Apple TV Plus. I wish they'd given us a free year of Apple Music, but for what it's worth, it's a nice gesture from Apple's side. Overall, I'm really impressed with this phone. Battery life could have been much better, and I would have loved if they included fast charger in the box. Other than that, I don't think there's any drawback for me using this phone, unless I nitpick. Of course, I'm not going to nitpick. So we are nearing the end of the video. I'm really looking forward to using this phone as my daily driver. I'll get back to you guys in a week or two with a review. That's been it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you guys in my next video. Peace.
You know those brown eyes in the sun make me weak. I still get butterflies every time we speak. Am I in my head cause it feels like I'm dreaming? I think we're in love, but baby, is that just me?